Bisi burum-burum khalaijak mahaike taklai bisio haham dadamni bisingti biya kare Baba Goria mutai khulum laikha tei ongnai ter Kolanpur bukaste moyalni bising khobjak telamura hodrai gorjon tolibo biya kare Baba Goria mutai khulumna bagai phailajak kabangma borok tei ongnai kotor ter haste hapang tang betekni phalsingti kainai chini line department ni kathalai mungbai Baba Goria ni mutai khulumung riksawi ter khlaimung chengsajak tongkasangni bisingti tangshalo sanja jorao naithotok panda khlaiui Baba Goria biya kare mutai khulumlaimung chengsai nengi manjagika Tripura hastini hastefa Indrushna Reddy Nalu logyo tongo hastini kacham secretary Data Mohan Jamatia Songroma Riang Bichitra Mohan Jamatia Hoda Okra Polindra Kumar Jamatia Okra Nayok Phang Bipro Kumar Jamatia Khobui Jamatia Hodani juda Hoda Okra Rok April Talni Chibri Shalmarin Shmi Shalsrin Bagai biya kare Baba Goria mutai khulumung riksawi ter khlaijaknai Amarpur Udaipur Korimura Birchandra Munu Koromchora Tuido Ompi Jompujola Roshabari Golagati Khobui kereng thai rogo Baba Goria ter khlaijaknai obahakino telamura obo Baba Goria ter khlaimungni bagai bebakno tiyar
स्वकृता मात्र के प्रचुर सशस्त्रे प्रकृता शिशुकेता उदिज्य पूर्वे वो संपूर्ण राज्य के शांति व समृद्धि साथे आशीर्वाद करूं। Respected, we want education that keeps you rooted, progress, and remembers your ancestors, and empowerment that respects your okra and your Naikoitin song. Baba Goria blesses those who work hard and remain united. So I urge you to preserve your language, your songs, your dances, and your sacred rituals. Festivals like Goria Puja are not just events, they are your resistance against cultural erosion. Let us remember that our unity in diversity is our greatest strength. May Baba Goria bless every home with prosperity, every field with a beautiful harvest, every child with the pride of their heritage, and the entire state of Tripura with peace and progress. With these words, I thank Jamatia Hoda for inviting me to this sacred ground. May Abhi and all tribal brethren gathered at this sacred ground of Gurjan Kali. Goria Puja is not just a festival, it is a conversation between your community and Mother Nature. It is the voice of your ancestral, the hope for your harvest, and the dance of your devotion. The sacred ritual of washing the holy cloths of Baba Goria took place. This act significance is beautiful proof that before we seek blessings from the divine, we must first purify our hearts and minds. Baba Goria, the grand God of prosperity, does not look at our wealth but our devotion. And today, your devotion is visible in every smiling face, every rhythmic dance, and every offering at the Denchai and Banchai. Before I go further, I want to share a thought that aligns perfectly with the spirit of Goria Puja. We often believe that joy comes only from comfort, but your tradition teaches us a higher truth from the work we do with joy and enthusiasm into an aromatic perfume. That is why we are able to spend our lives happily, The hard-working tribal brothers and sisters of Tripura know this well. The sweat you shed on your fields, in your handicrafts, in your forest, and in your daily toil, when offered with a joyful heart, becomes the fragrance of a delightful life. This is the essence of Gariya. This is the essence of Buyatu. I salute Jamatia Boda for preserving this magnificent heritage for last 435 years. Organizations like yours are the true protectors of Tripura's identity. The publication of the 10th edition of the magazine Baisu and the inauguration of Katwar Baisu 26 are not small achievements, they are acts of cultural bravery. Let us also acknowledge all our guests of honor and dignitaries here for their lifelong service to the community. As the Governor of Tripura, I assure you that this government under the leadership of our respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji committed to the development of every tribal community. क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज है, स्कूल्स है, कैसे चल रहा है और स्किल ट्रेनिंग क्या क्या दे रहा है ये देखा है। उसके बारे में दो चीज मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ। एक जो स्टूडेंट्स क्लास 4th में पढ़ रहे अपने स्कूल्स में, उनको स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग देके उनको जो बड़े स्कूल्स हैं, केवी के विद्यालय है, वैसे ही एकलव्य स्कूल्स है, नवोदय स्कूल्स है, उनके लिए स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग देके उनमें भिजाने का, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने बच्चे 5th क्लास में से सबको सब उसमें एग्ज़ाम दिलाने का एक कोशिश करें। एक बार उधर एडमिशन मिल गया तो उनका लाइफ चेंज अलग होता है, सोचने का ढंग अलग होता है। तो उसके लिए अपने स्कूल जितने भी आप उसमें लिखे हैं वो स्कूल्स में इसके लिए प्रत्येक ट्रेनिंग देने का सोचना है। और वैसे ही उसमें कुछ स्किल ट्रेनिंग के बारे में लिखे हैं, जैसा ड्राइविंग है। अभी ड्राइविंग के बारे में गवर्नमेंट का ड्राइविंग स्कूल है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट 14 करोड़ रुपया से ड्राइविंग स्कूल रखे हैं, जहां गर्ल्स बॉयज 18 साल जो जिनको कंप्लीट हुआ वो सब लोग उसमें कर सकते हैं।